Good morning, my dear friends, well wishers. Step into our channel once again, Square Maths YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss very important and interesting topic connected to various competitive examinations. It is related to equations and the category falls under integer type questions. You will finding one of the category in MSET, BITSAT, IIT JEE Mains, etc. Okay. So let us start now. Find the number of integral roots of x power 4 plus root of x power 4 plus 20 is equal to 22. Okay. So now this is a question. For that we have to determine the roots. Which type of roots? Integral roots. Nothing but the root should be integer type. Okay. This problem also most important for high school students and Olympiad, for various Olympiads. So consider our equation x power 4 plus root of x power 4 plus 20 is equal to 22. This is our given equation. To proceed, let us consider that let x power 4 is equal to k. So mark as equation 1. So therefore equation 1 implies k plus root of x power 4 replaced with k and again k plus 20 is equal to 22. So now shifting k to that side. So nothing but root of k plus 20 is equal to 22 minus k the whole square. 22 minus k. So after transposing, in order to get the rid of the root here, we have to square on both sides as usual. So squaring on both sides, I can write now root of k plus 20 the whole square is equal to 22 minus k the whole square. So square and root get cancelled. I can write now k plus 20 is equal to expand in the form of a minus b whole square. So a square plus b square minus 2 into 22 into k, a minus b whole square. So now next k plus 20 is equal to, this is 484 plus k square minus 44k, 2 into 22 is 44. So this implies now transposing all the terms to that side. Now I can write here k square, first this one k square, next minus 44k, and this one I am writing here minus k, next plus 484 minus 20 is equal to 0. So clubbing the terms now here, I can write k square minus 45k plus 464 is equal to 0. K square minus 45k plus 464 is equal to 0. So this can be done by factorization method. I am proceeding. So this implies, so by splitting method or factorization method I can write k minus 16 into k plus 29 is equal to 0. It is minus 29 because minus 45k. So this implies k minus 16 is equal to 0 and k minus 29 is equal to 0. So from this I can write here k is equal to 16 and here k is equal to 29. But what is our k? We have been assumed x power 4. So this implies now x power 4 is equal to 16 and x power 4 is equal to 29. Now let us consider the cases here. So now for this, since x power 4 is equal to 29, our intention is to get the integral roots. Okay. So here no integral roots. Why here? X power 4 is equal to 29, x will be equal to 4th root of 29. Doesn't give the integral roots. Okay. So from this Again, I can write here x is equal to plus or minus 2 from this. So, x is equal to 2 comma minus 2. Okay. So, for x power 4 is equal to 29, there does not exist any integral roots. Okay. Since x power 4 is equal to 16, so x is equal to plus or minus 2, nothing but x is equal to plus 2 or x is equal to minus 2. So, therefore, the number of integral roots of the given equation, therefore, the number of integral roots of equation 1 is 2. So, this falls under integer type questions for various competitive examinations. So, here what is the step here we have done? Here we have taken x power 4 is equal to k and have been proceeded here squaring on both sides. We get or we have. So, finally we got a quadratic equation. Next we replaced k with x power 4. Again 2 cases will arise here, has been arised here. Later we continued. So, once we have the look. So, this is a problem most important for JEE Mains and Olympiads, etc. So, please viewers, after watching the video, note it and share to your friends. Okay, get the new concepts. I am expecting that you like this video very much. Kindly share to your near and dear. Like, comment. Still those who did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it so that I will get the motivation and encouragement from your side. Signing out.